This is direct from Poshmark. This is what is selling right now, friends. This is what people are searching for. I'm filming this December 1st. You'll probably see this December 2nd or 3rd. So get to it. Number one, Christmas ornaments up 72%. Again, this is info direct from Poshmark, friends. And it made me realize, why do I not list a lot of my hard goods on Poshmark? I literally just last week shipped out 12 sets of Christmas ornaments. It's ingrained in me. I started selling on eBay and Amazon over 10 years ago that I list my hard goods there. And when I started selling on Poshmark almost 7 years ago, they didn't have a lot of the categories that they have now. I think the first category outside of clothing that I can remember was pets or home goods. Anywho, I need to get my Christmas ornaments cross-posted because the search is up 72%. Levi's 501 jeans up 57%. Carhartt jackets up 41%. This one made me laugh. Gucci bags, because it's like, yeah, you guys, just go out and source some Gucci bags. Everybody's searching for it. That search is up 34%. I will say I am not an expert luxury seller by any means. I really started getting more into selling luxury items in 2024. And like 99% of my luxury items, I don't even sell myself. I send it to ThredUp. If you're interested in selling on ThredUp, I did a very detailed video, literally walking you through A to Z how to sell on there. If you already have an account, but you just want to know what to send, what's selling, what's not selling, I will leave a link to that video down below. Grab a snack, grab a drink. It's a long one, but it's very informative. So that's how I sell like 99% of my luxury items. But I have started to list more and more luxury items. And I will tell you, the ones that I list myself, I sell like most of it during Q4 because people are gifting it. And then also the ones that I send off to ThredUp, it sells so fast during this time right now because it's gifting season. Trending colors. By the way, if you are new here, I am so dedicated to getting you all this information so quickly. I have a full-time job in healthcare. I got off work. I went to the gym. And then I usually come here to pick up my shipping. And I was like, wait, how am I going to read them this data? Because when I'm filming in my storage unit, I almost always use my cell phone. I literally printed this out. I feel so old school. I'm reading this info to you from me printing it out on paper. So subscribe if you appreciate the dedication that I put into these videos to get them out quickly, because when I saw this info from Poshmark, I was like, I need to make a video on this now because this is what's selling and trending right now. So all of this info, the data that they provided is from November, and they said that these items are going to continue to trend, and like the data is going to go up and up for more people searching as the month goes on. So you'll probably see this December 3rd, December 4th. You still have time to get this stuff up. I will say, like, if you haven't sourced any of these things, that's okay. Maybe you have some stuff that's already listed that you can refresh to use some of the keywords or the colors we're going to talk about. So here are the trending colors. According to Poshmark, from their data, these are the colors that people are searching for and buying. Burgundy, forest green. I love using that color. I use that color a lot in my listings. This one I have never used, Mocha Mousse. I just like the way that sounds. It sounds very sexy. Mocha Mousse. I have never used that. I'm going to start using it. Champagne gold and silver. Think holiday parties. People are going to like office parties, work parties. Like I'm going with my husband this weekend to a company party and the theme is gold. So all last week I was searching for gold, backless gowns. So we're in that season where people are looking for those items, gold, green, red. So those are the things you want to be putting in your title if you have them. I found this very interesting. Aritzia coats are up 56%, but more specifically, people are searching for the slouch coat. That's 56%. The super puff coat up 76% in search. And Aritzia wool coat, 53%. I just found a bunch of Aritzia pieces when I went thrifting on Black Friday. If you haven't seen that video, it should be up before this one. It's part of the $100 to $5,000 challenge that I'm doing that has been going amazingly well. We went to $1 million estate sale. We went to a luxury consignment store. We did Black Friday shopping. So I need to get that stuff listed. Aloe Yoga. It's up 57%. The Accolade sweatshirt, the Accolade sweatpants up 56%. and their Sherpa jacket is up 56%. I've been meaning to tell you all, I find aloe quite a bit here. Not necessarily at my thrift stores, but at my consignment stores. But good Lord, they mark it up. They know it's popular. Like I just found the Accolade sweatshirt at Crossroads yesterday for $45. Very little meat on the bones for me. The leggings are all marked up to like $30, $40. It is very rare that I can find aloe, excuse me, at an affordable price. UGG. UGG earmuffs are up 42%. Many platforms, I see a lot of people wearing that here where I live, like casual outfits. Many platforms up 24%. I could never. I wear a size 10 and I just feel like anything platform, my feet are already ginormous. So anything platform, I stay clear of. I used to love wearing platform heels when my feet were smaller, back when I was a size 9 before I started popping out these giant children. Black boots, UGG boots, up 41%. North Face, I love selling North Face. North Face jackets are up 61% in search and 44% for North Face coat. Other warm wear Sorel boots, up 147% in search. That's funny because I just sold super, super old Sorel boots on ThredUp that I bought when I went to Salt Lake City, Utah. If you haven't seen those videos, I filmed 5 videos in Salt Lake City, Utah. I will link them down below. I found these Sorel boots at the bins. I think I paid like $1 and something. Back then, this was like 4 or 5 years ago. Their bins were pretty affordable. Maybe it was 3 years ago. I don't know. If you're new here, I have been on the journey to visit all 50 states, and I have one more state left. So if you are new, subscribe because we're going to go thrifting in Alaska. But the last state I went to, Hawaii, I took my son for his 4-year birthday to Honolulu. So I will leave those linked down below. We've been to New Jersey. We've been to Wisconsin. I have taken you even thrifting in Sydney, Australia, and Scotland. So if you enjoy those type of vlogs, subscribe. But I sold those Sorel boots finally. I've had them for years. They finally sold and they gave me a profit of about $47. And they were beat up. Like these boots, they were Sorel ski boots. They had been well skied in. Uniqlo Heat Tech up 68%, Rothy Clogs up 27%. Wait for this. This shocked me. I know that people buy Christmas sweaters around Christmas time, obviously. It's up 171% in search. So if you have any Christmas sweaters, maybe you already have them listed. Maybe use some of those keywords we talked about earlier. Make sure you're putting Christmas sweater. So the words I'm saying this is actually what people are putting in Poshmark search. Christmas sweater, holiday party dress up 210%. That is a huge, huge amount, friends.
It was at that point in the storage unit that my camera died. So I wanted to finish up and show you what's trending in kids. So we have the Patagonia toddler jacket, 40%. Wow. I've sold quite a few of those. Kids Uggs. What's going on with Uggs? I thought they went out of style, but maybe I'm the one who's out of style. Like, when did Uggs make such a comeback? When I was in high school, like my first year of high school, they were popular. And then by the time I was a senior, it was like super out of style to wear them. But I guess they've come back. I don't know. Girls' coats up 36%. I have so many girls' clothing items in my storage unit for my potential baby girl I hope to have one day. I am such a girl's girl. I think it's hilarious that I have become a boy mom to 2 boys because I am like the most girly girl, like traditional girly girl. So I just keep, anytime I find cute little girls' coats like these or girls' clothing, I just save it because I know I'm going to have a girl. And oh my gosh, watch me have like 18 boys. All right, bags. Not pregnant, by the way. Bags. The Row bags up 70%, 75%. This made me laugh because I have never found the Row thrifting. I have only sourced the Row on Whatnot and very, very expensive consignment stores. If you don't know, the Row is the Olsen twins fashion line. In my opinion, it is like an elevated Banana Republic, not even, like an elevated James Purse. Very basic, very minimal, white items, black items. Look it up, and they retail for thousands of dollars. Like this black purse we are looking at retailed for $3,500. Their clothing is very expensive. If you can ever find it, it is definitely worth paying up for because it'll sell fast. It's very trendy. It has been for years, and it really does hold its value. So then we have these other purses here. I need to find this Dooney & Burke purse because I sell a lot of Dooney & Burke. And then this, I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but the Christmas ornaments, the Levi's, the Carhartt, and the Gucci, those are what's trending in vintage. Sorry, I don't think I specified that. But here's what's trending in home. Christmas garland, Christmas ceramic trees, tree skirts, and Starbucks. Wow. Why am I not selling Starbucks tumblers on Poshmark? When I tell you, first of all, we have 50 million Starbucks in Los Angeles, but we also have a lot of the Starbucks that have like the coveted cups, mugs, tumblers, and I find these things every single time I go thrifting, and I don't pick them up because I'm like, who's gonna buy a used Starbucks tumbler? Apparently, a ton of people. I know they have like a lot of limited edition drops. They had that stupid little bear that came out that people were like losing their minds over. So dumb. You could literally get it on Temu. Anyways, we won't get into that. Hopefully you don't take offense if you were one of those stupid people. I'm probably going to cut that out. I'm totally joking. I always say don't yuck someone else's yum. As long as they're not hurting anyone else and it's not illegal, like whatever. Who am I to say that that bear is stupid? So you could call me stupid for saying that. I don't, you know, whatever you like. I just like literally, you guys, you can get the same bear on Temu for like 50 cents. If you really want a bear, go to my closet and I'll sell one to you for like $20. And then you can support a small business and not Starbucks. So that is what's trending, friends. If I have not pissed you off and you are still here, consider subscribing. I upload multiple times a week. By the way, a little top secret for all of you that still hear the sound of my voice. I'm actually going to try to upload every single day this month. I announced this on my live sale yesterday. So if you weren't at my live sale yesterday, poo-poo to you, come to a live sale. They're linked down below. But since my full-time job is really slow the last month of the year, like almost like no work going on. It's great. I love it. I'm still working, but I'm not traveling as much. I'm not doing as many presentations as I usually do. I can really ramp up here. So I might miss a day or two, but as of now, I'm filming this part of the video December 3rd. This will be my third video this month. I think I can keep it up. We're going out of town for Christmas. So we'll see. That'll probably be the week I miss one video or two, but that is the goal, friends. So if you are looking for content to watch, I am your girl. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos talking about what's going to be happening in 2026, trends, keywords, patterns you should know, platform updates. As soon as any platform drops an update, check my channel because I'll probably have a video up within 24 hours about that update or if something happens on Poshmark or eBay. But we're going to be doing videos every single day this month. So subscribe. I upload currently daily. That will not happen forever. Like, let's be real. But I want to try it. I don't know that I've ever done that on this channel. So subscribe, follow along, turn on the bell so you are notified when a new video goes up, and also hype the video. If you're watching this on your phone or your iPad, if you just swipe to the right where the comments are, you can hype the video. It's free, and it just tells YouTube, hey, people like this video, push it out to other people. It helps smaller channels. It's only available to channels that have 500,000 subscribers or less. So even if you don't want to comment, you can help the channel by hyping the video, and it's free, and I will see you soon.